Everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and today I am participating in a Till Death Do Us craft. Now this is going to be a video series for the month of October. We will be posting October 1st and October 31st, everybody in the group. I will be posting every Friday. So for my card today, I had some alcohol ink backgrounds just kind of laying around. So I used the Joy Claire If You Dare stamp set. And I'm using some alcohol lift-off ink to kind of give it that spooky feel, I guess, to the card. I'm using two different stamps in this set. One, I'm going to use like these connected skulls, and I'm going to stamp these kind of all over the background. So this is nice if you have just alcohol ink backgrounds laying around. The lift-off ink works really, really well. And the paper that I used was just a metallic cardstock that I had, so it's not even Yupo paper. But I kind of gave it that, spooky-ish feel. So for this for this series, there's going to be a lot of participants. I will have everybody linked below in my description box. It's going to be a lot of fun. And you're going to see a little bit of everything, so it's not going to be just cards. Since I'm a card maker, that's what, I'm focusing on. But there are a lot of fantastic, talented creators in this series. Like I said, I will be posting every Friday. And then the whole group is posting on the 1st and the 31st of October. So as you can see, all I did was dab my paper towel, just picking up a little bit of the excess lift-off ink that was on there. And then I take my paper towel and swirl it around kind of aggressively. And I'm just going to go ahead and place a couple more of these skulls kind of all over the darker spots where the alcohol ink kind of really pooled, which is what I wanted. So if you have alcohol ink backgrounds, what a better way to use them than use the alcohol lift-off ink. And you don't have to use, Halloween images. For this series, it's a Halloween series, and I'm super excited to be participating in it because Halloween is one of my favorite holidays. So after I'm going to place a couple more on this background, and then I'm going to add the the tombstone to the bottom of it. Because I wanted to give it just, not just the skulls that you can see in the background, but I wanted it to be kind of spooky. And the alcohol lift ink works super well. Now I did notice as I was going that it was sliding just a little bit. So you want to be really careful that you're not really moving your stamping block, because I did find that I was sliding just a little bit. And that's just because of the ink, the alcohol inks. So I did apply a good bit of pressure to that one because I really wanted to see those skulls kind of appear from my background. So yeah, make sure you guys follow along the series. It's going to be fantastic. I'm going to link as many people as I can below. Some are doing blogs, some are doing videos, some are just doing Instagram. So it's a good mix of everybody in the group. So now I had to get a new paper towel because it's black alcohol ink, and it just was kind of smearing just a little bit. So as you can see, the more that it dries, the more you can actually see those images. So you want to give it just a little bit of time. Not, tons, but just a little bit of time to kind of peek through there. So when I was doing my tombstone, I did not realize I had an air bubble. And usually I use my Misty, but since I was doing the lift-off ink, I didn't really want to use my Misty. I kind of wanted to be able to, play around with the images a little bit more. But you can see I have a huge bubble. So I tried to fix it as best as I could, and it just was not, it was not cooperating. So this, like I said, this series will run from October 1st to October 31st. Each day of the week there's going to be somebody new posting. I'm posting Fridays, so every Friday you'll see a new video from me for Halloween, or for the, for this Halloween series. And I love the name, Till Death Do Us Craft. Like, perfect name for this series. So this one I did, press down a little bit longer because it was such a, it was a bigger image than the skulls. There was more surface to it. So as I'm doing, washing it, dabbing, and then I'm going to go in and, kind of aggressively wipe some of that off, you'll see that tombstone kind of come to life. There you go. See, now you can see it. And you can see that silver paper in the background. And it, I love that look because it almost looks like a moon in the background. So yeah, make sure you guys follow along the series. Everybody will be linked below. All my products that I used will be linked below. Now, I did go ahead and cut a piece of vellum because the background was so dark. I just didn't want to add anything to it that was even darker. So I grabbed the piece of vellum and I used let me grab the name of that one. Spooktastic sentiment from that Joy Claire set. And I just wrapped my vellum around. I heat embossed it just so it was a little bit shiny. And with vellum, I like to just, double it, fold it behind the card so that that way you guys don't see any adhesive. But yeah, that was it for this card. So make sure you guys check the description box below. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Thanks, guys. Bye.